Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Candy brand washing machine and you're getting an error E09 and you're wondering what is this and what is this error and how can I get rid of it. So the E09 error is an error with the controls of the machine that control the speed of the spinning. And before this error came up, if you were next to the machine, you might have noticed some abnormal spin speed before it came up. So there is one workaround which we'll talk about in a second. But first I want to say that this is not really a homeowner fix friendly error. It's pretty much going to have to call for service because it could be on the control board. It's the electronics of the control board and all that kind of stuff. So one workaround to try, if you can only get a technician to come out in a few days or next week or something and you need to do laundry, I would recommend you try running different speed cycles. Like if you do a real slow cycle and stuff like that, you might find a cycle that'll work for you while you're waiting for the technician to come. Anyways, I hope this video at least helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.